Hey everyone, welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. Starting out with Shopify can be daunting, especially when trying to figure out how to build a store that looks great and is easy for customers to use. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the must-know tips for designing a store that's not only beautiful, but super easy to navigate. I'll also share some free tools that will make the process easier, and there's a special surprise at the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our dropshipping tips and tricks. Let's dive in. The first thing we'll tackle is user experience and design, a key issue you need to address to keep customers on your store. A professional, clean look isn't just about aesthetics, it's crucial for keeping your sales up. In fact, a staggering 38% of online shoppers will leave a site if they find it unattractive or difficult to navigate. That's why picking the right theme is key. Shopify offers a range of free and premium themes to get you started, but your choice should align with your niche to create a cohesive, engaging experience for your customers. For instance, if you're in the pet industry, use pet-themed images and banners to make your store feel relevant and welcoming. So, how do you ensure your store design hits the mark? Start by researching your competition. Look at what successful stores in your niche are doing, especially their choice of themes and color schemes. A great trick is to watch how top dropshipping entrepreneurs design their stores on YouTube. According to statistics, a well-designed user interface can boost your website's conversion rate by up to 200%. This shows just how critical it is to get your design right. Remember, the goal is to create a store that's both visually appealing and easy to navigate. Keep your design simple, clean, and consistent with your brand. With the right theme, you'll not only keep customers engaged, but also boost your sales. With a great design in place, now it's time to tackle another crucial element for Shopify success, offering a variety of shopping options. PwC found that 73% of customers consider the overall experience as a significant factor in their buying decisions, coming right after product quality and cost. To meet these high expectations and boost sales, you need to provide multiple ways for customers to shop and pay. Offering various payment methods is crucial for a smooth shopping experience. Shopify allows you to integrate popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay, making it easier for shoppers to complete their purchases. Limiting payment options might turn potential buyers away. According to PYMENT, 50 million US consumers have recently adopted services, and nearly 70% of them spend more when using these flexible payment options. Providing BNPL options can also give customers the flexibility they need to finalize their purchases. Additionally, consider your shipping options. Deloitte found that 88% of consumers prefer free shipping over faster shipping. Offering multiple shipping speeds and free shipping on certain orders can help meet these expectations and improve customer satisfaction. Finally, keep an eye on your competitors. Your competitors are not only your opponents, but also people you can learn from. Competitor research provides you with information on your competitors, including how many and who they are. All right, let's jump into one of the most game-changing aspects of your Shopify store: optimizing product presentation. Product content plays a huge role in buying decisions. 87% of consumers say it directly affects whether they hit that buy button. Even if you have the best products, poor presentation can drive potential customers away. To make your products truly stand out, follow these 4 essential steps to enhance your product presentation strategy. First up, let's talk about starting with SEO-optimized product titles. When listing a product, the title isn't just a name, it's a powerful tool for attracting search traffic. Think of it as your product's first impression in search engines. To make your titles work harder for you, include relevant keywords that potential customers might use to find your product. For instance, imagine you're selling this egg chair cushion. Don't just settle for egg chair cushion. Boost your visibility by incorporating variations like thick chair pad, soft seat cushion, or headrest. Each additional keyword enhances your chances of appearing in search results. Remember, the more visible your product is, the better your chances of selling it. Optimizing your product title with the right keywords is one of the simplest and most effective ways to drive organic traffic to your store. Next up, let's dive into crafting the perfect product description. This step might seem tricky, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Think of your description in 3 parts: highlights, features, and specifications. Highlights. Start by showcasing the unique selling points of your product. For the egg chair cushion, you might highlight its extra thick padding or its design for ultimate comfort, whether indoors or outdoors. Begin with a benefit that instantly grabs your customer's attention. Features. Keep this section concise and easy to scan. Bullet points are your best friend here. List key features like soft stuffing, versatile comfort, or removable and machine washable cover. This allows customers to quickly understand the core benefits. Specifications, finally, provide essential details like color, weight, and material. This helps customers visualize how the product will fit their needs. For items like cushions, where fit and comfort matter, these details are crucial. By structuring your product description this way, you'll make it easy for customers to see why they need your product and how it fits their needs. Now let's talk about highlighting product variants and shipping options. If your product comes in different colors, sizes, or styles, make sure each variant is clearly labeled and easy for customers to select. This helps prevent confusion and makes it simple for shoppers to find exactly what they want. When it comes to shipping, the options you offer can make a big difference. Delivery speed is a key factor for many shoppers. 62% say it plays a crucial role in their purchasing decisions. Shopify's integration with various shipping providers makes it easy to offer multiple shipping methods. Ensure you provide clear delivery time expectations and choose shipping options that align with your delivery promises. This level of transparency builds trust and can help seal the deal. The final step in perfecting your product presentation is images. High-quality images are vital. Amazon's guidelines suggest they can boost sales by up to 10%. Instead of overwhelming customers with numerous random photos, follow these tips. Ensure each variant has a clear, high-quality image. Include a size diagram so customers can easily see if the cushion will fit their chairs. Highlight key details like fabric quality, the zipper, and how the cushion looks in various settings. These details help build trust and can significantly boost your conversion rate. But finding and uploading all this information can be time-consuming. That's where Doba comes in. Doba is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that offers a robust supplier directory and listing tools to make everything hassle-free. With Doba's one-click import feature, you can quickly and easily add products to your store, saving you time and effort. Go to My Doba, navigate to My Store, and click Connect a New Store. Select Shopify from the list, which will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. After that, tap Install App to add Doba to your Shopify store. Once set up, you can browse the winning products. When you find a product you want to sell, simply click List to Store to add it instantly. The product will then appear in your Shopify store, complete with images, details, and everything else you need. This provides a solid foundation for optimizing your product information. By optimizing your product name, description, variants, and images, you're setting up your Shopify store for success. Remember, how you present your products is what will make the sale. Congratulations on making it this far. To show my appreciation for your dedication, I'm thrilled to offer you an exclusive 14-day free trial of Doba. Over the next 14 days, you'll be able to experience a range of automated processes, including the one-click listing feature, and see firsthand how they simplify dropshipping. Drop a comment with Dropshipping Simplified, and we'll send you the link to start your free trial. And there you have it, your guide to building a Shopify store like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on dropshipping and e-commerce. Also, don't forget to leave a comment above to claim your 14-day free trial with Doba. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!